Greetings, logical thinkers. Welcome to Law Logical, your one-stop destination for all things legal. Our mission is to unravel the intricacies of law, making it accessible and understandable to all. Today, we turn our gaze towards a sensitive topic, one that resonates deeply with many of us. We're delving into the Indian family law, specifically focusing on the custody and visitation rights post-divorce. Today, we delve into the complexities of child custody and visitation rights in India. So buckle up, it's going to be an enlightening journey. In the event of a divorce, one of the most crucial aspects that come into play is the welfare of the children involved. As we delve into this important topic, let's begin by defining child custody and visitation rights. Child custody refers to the legal guardianship awarded by the court, specifying which parent the child will live with. Visitation rights, on the other hand, pertain to the non-custodial parent's right to spend time with their child. There are three types of custody: sole, joint, and third-party custody. Sole custody is when one parent, deemed more suitable, is awarded exclusive rights to the child. Joint custody allows both parents to share decision-making powers, although the child may live primarily with one parent. Lastly, third-party custody is a less common scenario where neither biological parent is granted custody. Instead, a third party, such as a grandparent or a guardian, is entrusted with the child's care. However, regardless of the type of custody, the guiding principle in all custody decisions is always the child's best interests. The court looks at a multitude of factors, including the child's age, health, emotional ties with each parent, and the parent's ability to provide a stable environment. Remember, the child's welfare is paramount and all decisions hinge on this crucial aspect. The court always prioritizes the child's well-being, ensuring their future is secure and bright, even in the midst of the parent's divorce. Now, let's delve into the legal provisions regarding child custody and visitation rights in India. The two primary laws governing these issues are the Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act of 1956 and the Guardians and Wards Act of 1890. The Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act applies to Hindus, Jains, Sikhs, and Buddhists. According to this act, the welfare of the child is paramount in determining custody. It also considers the age and gender of the child, with the mother generally being the preferred guardian for children under the age of 5. On the other hand, the Guardians and Wards Act, which predates the Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act, is secular. It pertains to all children within the Indian territory, regardless of their religion. This act also emphasizes the welfare of the child above all else. It takes into consideration factors such as the child's age, sex, religion, and the character and capacity of the proposed guardian. Now, it's important to understand that both parents have equal rights to custody of their child under Indian law. This is in line with the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, which India ratified in 1992. However, the court has the final say, and its decision will always hinge on what it perceives to be in the best interest of the child. This may be influenced by factors such as the child's own wishes, the parent's financial stability, their ability to provide a stable home environment, and their demonstrated commitment to the child's education and overall welfare. In the case of visitation rights, the non-custodial parent is usually granted a reasonable amount of time with the child. This is because the law recognizes the importance of maintaining a relationship with both parents for the child's healthy emotional development. As you can see, the law aims to ensure the child's well-being above all else. You might wonder, how does a court determine what's in the child's best interests? Well, let's delve into the factors that judges consider when making decisions about child custody and visitation rights. Firstly, the age and gender of the child play a pivotal role. Younger children often need more care and attention, which might influence the court to favor the parent who can provide that. The court might also consider the gender of the child, especially in cases where the child is a girl and is more comfortable with her mother. Secondly, the financial stability of each parent is examined. This is not about who has the bigger paycheck, but rather who can provide a stable and secure environment for the child. A parent who can cater to the child's needs like education, health, and overall well-being may be favored. The child's wishes are also taken into account, especially if the child is old enough to express a well-reasoned preference. The court respects the child's agency and often considers their opinion, although this is not the sole determining factor. Another major influencing factor is the reason for the divorce. If the separation is due to reasons like domestic violence or substance abuse, the court might limit or even deny custody to the offending parent to protect the child's well-being. Lastly, the court observes the behavior of both parents. This includes their willingness to support the child's relationship with the other parent, their adherence to court orders, and their overall attitude and conduct. A parent who demonstrates respect for the court and the child's other parent may be looked upon favorably. In summary, the court's primary concern is to protect the child's best interests. It takes into account a variety of factors, from the child's age and gender to the parent's financial stability, the child's wishes, the reason for divorce, and the parent's behavior. These factors help the court make a fair and just decision in the child's best interest. So there you have it, a brief overview of child custody and visitation rights in India. We've navigated the complex legal landscape, shedding light on the critical aspects of child custody and visitation rights. We've explored the legal provisions in India and the various factors that courts consider while making decisions, always keeping the child's welfare at the heart of the matter. We've underscored the importance of understanding these rights, not just for parents, but for anyone invested in a child's welfare. Because at the end of the day, it's about ensuring the child's best interests are upheld, even amidst the turmoil of a divorce. And that's what we strive for here at Law Logical, providing clarity and insight into the intricate world of law, one video at a time. Thanks for joining us today on Law Logical. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more logical legal insights. Until next time, keep thinking logically.